Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove or replace the screen or screen digitizer for iPad 10.2, 7, 8 or 9 generation. So let's start the video. Keep watching the video till end. Okay, so first I start the heating pad to soft the glue. It's easy to remove the upper digitizer, so you need all these tools for removing the to replace the screen. So uh, it's need like 1.5 minute to leave on heating pad. After heating pad you need to start removing the digitizer. So it's you need to remove it gently because so little mistake can make you in trouble. In the right corner at the home button, one flex for the home button. So here you need to uh, work very gently. Okay, and on this side the digitizer flex as well. So remove after removing the digitizer. So after removing the digitizer, you need to open the screen. The screws are in all four corner, so it's not very difficult. It's easy to removing the screen. The main thing, you need to remove the digitizer very gently because it's no need mistake. So after removing the screen, you need to remove the flex of the screen and digitizer. For this you need to use the screwdriver and unscrew the. After removing the screen, you need to place it like unsafe place. Now you need to remove the flex for the home button from the main motherboard. The two flex for the digitizer, the motherboard, the home button. Okay, so after removing the screen and digitizer, you need to clean all the edges and corner, so it will help you to glue the new digitizer, so it will stick nicely. So remove properly and very gently. Okay, after removing the the screen digitizer, the screen, the broken mm, particle and the edges. So I new digitizer and I place the home button, and then I start to fix the. So I place the two flex of the digitizer and home button, and then you need just to clean your screen. Okay, and place the home button as well nicely because the home button flex is little bit different, and flex the flex of the main screen is little bit tricky as well. So after that, check it the touch and everything properly, and after touching you need to screw again everything. Okay, the flex. I screwed the home screen and digitizer flex. So it's need no mistake. Clean again properly. Screw the screen. Screw on all the four edges of four screw. After it, remove the plastic from digitizer and all the edges the glue sticker. Remove the glue sticker. So digitizer come with the own glue. In case the glue is not sticking well, you can use your own glue as well. Place it properly and leave it for uh, pressure, or you can simply use plastic tape as well to stick well. So I place it properly and so after turn back you need to make sure that the touch is working nicely and check the sound and everything because little mistake and flex placing are make this all you in trouble. So I hope you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share.